I'm on the brink of losing my mind with all these assignments.
I can totally relate. It's been one deadline after another.
It feels like no matter how much I do, there's always more waiting for me.
Yeah, it's like the work just never stops piling up, doesn't it?
I stayed up until 3 a.m. last night just trying to get ahead, but I'm still behind.
Wow, that's rough. You really need to take a break before you burn out completely.
I know, but I feel like if I slow down even a little, I'll fall even further behind.
Trust me, pushing yourself too hard is just going to make things worse in the long run.
You're right. I've been so exhausted lately, and I can't seem to focus properly anymore.
Maybe you should talk to your professors and see if they can offer any extensions or help.
I've been thinking about it, but I'm worried they'll think I'm not managing my time well.
They'll probably understand. They know how demanding the workload can get.
I guess it wouldn't hurt to ask. I just don't want to seem like I'm not trying my best.
Asking for help doesn't mean you're not trying. It means you're taking control of the situation.
You're right. I think I've just been too hard on myself lately.
We all are sometimes. Just remember, it's okay to take a step back when you need to.
Thanks for reminding me of that. I really needed to hear it today.
Anytime. Let's get through this together. How about we set aside some time to study together?
That sounds great. Maybe we can keep each other motivated and on track.
Exactly. And if things get too much, we can always take a break and grab some snacks.
Deal. I feel better already just knowing I'm not alone in this.
He doesn't show it, but deep down, he misses you a lot more than you realize.
I don't know, it's hard to believe that after everything that's happened between us.
Trust me. He talks about you sometimes, even though he tries to act like he's moved on.
I guess I just wish he would be honest with me instead of pretending everything's fine.
I think he's afraid of showing how much he still cares. You know how he is with his feelings.
Yeah, he's always been like that, bottling things up until he can't anymore.
Exactly. And I think that's why he's been distant. It's his way of protecting himself.
It just hurts because I still care about him too, even after all this time.
Have you thought about reaching out to him? Maybe a simple message could break the ice?
I've thought about it so many times, but I'm scared of getting hurt again.
I get it. But sometimes taking that risk is the only way to find closure, one way or another.
You're right, I just don't want to keep wondering what if, you know?
Exactly. At least you'll know where you both stand, instead of guessing his feelings.
I suppose I should at least try. If he doesn't respond, then I'll know where I stand.
And if he does, who knows? It could be the start of a new chapter for both of you.
I hope so. I'm tired of this awkward silence between us.
You deserve to know the truth, and he deserves the chance to be honest with you too.
I'm going to do it. I'll send him a message tonight and see what happens.
Good for you. No matter what, at least you'll have some answers.
Thanks. I really needed this push. You always know just what to say.
Anytime. I just want you to be happy, whatever that looks like for you.
I am not backing down on this, no matter what anyone says.
I get that you're passionate, but are you sure this is the right battle to fight?
Absolutely. I've thought it through, and this is something I truly believe in.
I admire your determination, but it seems like a lot of people are against the idea.
I know, but just because it's hard doesn't mean I'm going to give up.
That's true, but have you considered the potential consequences?
Of course, I have. I'm prepared to face whatever comes my way.
It's just that sometimes, choosing your battles wisely is the smarter move.
I appreciate your concern, but this one is too important to just let go.
I hear you. I just don't want you to get hurt in the process.
I'm aware of the risks, but if I back down now, I'll always regret it.
It's clear you've made up your mind, and I respect that.
Thanks. I just hope others can see why this matters so much to me.
Well, even if they don't, you've got me on your side, no matter what.
That means a lot to me. I really need all the support I can get.
And you've got it. Just promise me you'll take care of yourself along the way.
I promise. I won't let this consume me completely.
Good, because you're stronger than you think, and I believe in you.
That's exactly what I needed to hear. I won't forget it.
Anytime. Let's get through this together, one step at a time.
Yes, together. That's what makes all the difference. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.